As we know, poor people cannot access the formal credit system because they don't have any security or such as any collateral to pledge to get the formal credit system. So the banks only provide a very big amount which require many documentation processes which is very not easy for the poor to get. It need many paperwork and all. So their needs are also very small, like they need to get some pump set, like any farming thing, the basic raw material for the peasantry or artisan people. So they need a very small amount of money which cannot be get from the formal credit system. So the concept of microfinance come into play, where they will get a very small amount of money where they help each other into their work, they help each other form SHGs and the group of people become the collateral, where it will help them to get this needed money from the bank, where the loan system also become very simple, where they could access the loan very easily and they could repay within a nominal amount of interest which is monthly and weekly. So it will also help them to start the new enterprises or entrepreneurships or self-employed jobs, where the poor people might be less educated and they might not go to any other thing. So through this self-employment they will get empowered, their financial condition will get raised, and the main aim of the microcredit system, which is the improve the standard of living and poverty elevation, will be done within this. So there are many banks which plays as the key role, where they will get the loan, and SHG groups where they SHG groups will be there, where they work together, and there are two systems, the intermediate system and the direct system, where they will group SHG and directly get the money from the SHG bank, and other is NGO, where plays a crucial role in the mediating role, where NGO plays a crucial role that it will help them to improve skill and they will get training for this self-employment, and it will ensure the sustainability of the SHG it will help in the for the endurance of the self-enterprise. So SHG, so micro enterprises will help the poor rural people to get access to the credit system, which was not accessible through the formal system. And it has many drawbacks, like in the transparency, the skill development. If it is not, they will get the required skill or training to maintain the records and all. It will hinder the sustainability of the SHG. So, thank you.
Kanishka.